Alright guys, it's Friday. Yay. This is my rant video. I woke up in a horrible mood. I'm tired from not sleeping. I'm getting maybe 3 hours a night if I'm lucky. And it's just, well, we got a lot to do. And this is what's going on here. And that is mild compared to what's been going on. I'm telling you, I'm getting a little fed up with the weather down here. You're either sweating your butt off or you're getting rained on. I don't know why the hell they call it sunny Florida, because it sucks. It ain't sunny Florida, it's rainy Florida. So, I guess I'm going to take this opportunity to weld all the panels in for the RoadRunner. This way it's cooler out and I can actually put on my welding jacket so I don't burn myself alive again. Stay tuned for the crazy. Okay. Been messing with the RoadRunner all day. Roy, don't look at this. LOL. Sorry. Cut the whole tail off finally. I'm going to trim it all down here. All this has got to come off. Whoop, there it is. And then I have to fix that spot and that spot. This is the last we have to do. Then we can actually put it all back together, weld it up, and paint this puppy. That's what we took off. It needed to come off. It was a little bit rough, but it looks good. Extremely happy how this is coming out. It's not beating me up like other Mopars who shall remain nameless. Sorry, Paul. I had to. So, guys, like and subscribe. And let's get this channel up and running again like we used to have it. Tell your friends. I would appreciate it, because I just want to get this channel going good again. We're not going to be going to Motor Trend. We've decided. Found out that Motor Trend is the buzz is that they're going bankrupt. And I don't want to be in the middle of that. So, like and subscribe, guys, and I will see you later. Okay, quick side note. We've got it mocked up. It's not where it needs to be yet, but it's getting there. I've got to move it to this way a little bit. But then, once we get it and we put it on where it's supposed to be, it's going to be good looking. Alright. Now we're going. Like and subscribe. We'll see you guys on Monday.